Hello everybody, it is me, Pilot 109, also known as Captain John, and welcome back to another RC airplane video. Today, I'm going to be flying my brand new N-140 very big RC plane. Here you can see how I had to strap this thing into the truck.
And that should stay.
Then here's my friend trying to tell me that whatever this school is, the Longhorns, we're good. He's wrong. And that's kind of it. You can see that the airplane is a pretty conventional design using a Powerpack C motor with a 10x45 propeller, or 4.5. It's a simple 5-channel airplane, 2 ailerons, 1 rudder, and 1 elevator, and of course the motor. It is a very conventional airplane that I'm hoping will be able to last quite a while. I built it pretty tough to be able to withstand, well, whatever I put it through, and hopefully it will succeed. Now let's get straight into the flight. Huh. Literally no roll control at all. Alright, likeliness of a crash went from 33% down to 10%. Flight's very nice. More than does right. And that's full power. Oh, wow. It almost dug in there. It does just flow. That's good. Look how slow that thing is. Alright, I'm not landing. I'm going to go around. I don't want to walk that far, so I'm going to land it closer. Now, the airplane ended up actually flying very well, and well, I really liked it. So the next natural course of action was me to tape my phone on there and record a video. And boom, there you have it, a brand new airplane. Now, this airplane actually has a wingspan of a little bit over 6 feet. That's pretty large. And because it can fly so slow, that also means it can probably carry, well, quite a large load. So there's a chance that I could be turning this airplane into some kind of bomb-dropping airplane, which will be awesome if I can get it to work. I'm also planning on maybe painting this airplane and maybe putting landing gear on it if I can build landing gear big enough. But that's all coming in the future. So if you want to see more, or just want to stay tuned to see more RC aviation content, please let me know. And like, comment, share, and subscribe to help support my channel. Thank you, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed.